अगर आज की डेट में आप AI को यूज करके अपना टाइम सेव नहीं कर रहे हो, देन यू आर मिसिंग आउट ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज। हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूं ईशान शर्मा और अगर आप एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हो तो ये वीडियो स्पेसिफिकली आपके लिए बनाया है मैंने। इन दिस वन आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट 10 ऐसे फ्री AI टूल्स दैट विल हेल्प यू स्टे मोर प्रोडक्टिव and save hundreds of your hours when you are working as a student. So let's talk about these 10 tools, starting with number 1. This one is Scribe. Now Scribe is a AI tool through which you can create visual step-by-step guides, right? अब इसमें best part ये है कि you can just go around, show the steps for doing something in that tutorial and वो उन सारे steps को convert कर देगा into a visually appealing, easy to understand guide. Right? This will save you a lot of time. कई बार क्या होता है that you know when you are working with someone you have to teach them कि इस सॉफ्टवेयर को कैसे यूज करते हैं या फिर इस टूल को कैसे यूज करते हैं. Instead of doing that repeatedly, you can simply create a guide for them and you can do that with the help of scribehow.com. The second tool is supermeme.ai. अब ये एक बहुत ही cool AI tool है with which you can turn your text into memes. Simply आपको इस वेबसाइट पे जाकर के जो टेक्स्ट है आपके मीम के अंदर वो डालो आप and then it will create a ton of memes for you that you can easily choose from. I think it's a pretty interesting tool through which you can literally become the meme god of your own college. Acha, now the third tool will help you with your communication skills. This one is called as poised.com and इस tool में क्या होता है, you can basically upload a video of yourself speaking something and this tool will give you feedback on how can you speak something better, right? This will look at your way of communicating something, your tone, your voice modularity, and it will suggest you ways in which you can improve your communication skills. Now this is very interesting. I never knew कि AI के through you can actually become better at communicating as well, but apparently you can. So do take a look at this as well. अगर आपको English बोलने में problem होती है, अगर आपको communicate करने में problem होती है in general, तो you can take a look at this tool as well. The fourth tool is lumen5.com. अब this is a tool through which you can convert text into videos. अगर आपके पास कोई भी blogs हैं आपके client के, आप उन blogs को easily convert कर सकते हो into interactive videos that can then be posted on social media platforms. तो अगर आप एक freelancer हो, अगर आप एक social media manager की तरह काम कर रहे हो, then you can help your client get more reach and impressions with the help of these videos that you can create from Lumen 5 itself. अच्छा, now the fifth tool is very interesting. आपने बहुत बार गाने सुने होंगे and you might be wondering कि काश मैं इस गाने के सारे vocals and instruments को अलग अलग कर पाता. There might be a tune in a song that you particularly want to take out. Well, now you can with the help of lalel.ai. With the help of this tool, you can extract the vocals from the musical instruments and you will get separate soundtracks for all of them with the help of just a click. Imagine how crazy this is. Now the sixth tool will help you with your pictures. It's called as Magic Eraser and with the help of it, you can remove unwanted parts of a picture. राइट, सो एसेंशियली आपको एक ब्रश मिलता है जो आप यूज कर सकते हो ऑन द अपलोडेड पिक्चर एंड यू कैन पॉइंट द पार्ट दैट यू वांट टू बी रिमूव्ड. अगर एक बहुत बड़ी पिक्चर है एंड यू वांट टू रिमूव अ पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, देन यू कैन जस्ट सर्कल दैट एंड इट विल बी रिमूव्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द AI. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है. यू कैन रिमूव व्हाटएवर यू वांट, राइट, उसको बस सर्कल करके इट विल बी रिमूव्ड फॉर यू राइट देन एंड देयर. अच्छा, नाउ द सेवेंथ टूल इज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. इट्स कॉल्ड एज soundraw.io and with the help of it you can basically create royalty free unique music, non-copyrighted music with the help of an AI, right? तो ये बहुत सारे जो content creator होते हैं who want to use music but वो डरते हैं कि कहीं copyright strike ना आ जाए, they can now use SoundRaw and they can create unique tunes that are not copyrighted and that have been made by AI and can be used wherever you want, right? That is pretty interesting. मुझे अभी भी पता है I have spent numerous hours every single day searching for that perfect non-copyrighted music on YouTube that I can use in my video. But now with the help of SoundRaw, I can create unique sounds and music. The eighth tool is for all of you people who are into content writing. It's called as copy.ai. There is another one called as jasper.ai, but basically with the help of these tools, you can write content with the help of AI. Right? So let's just say I want to write a script for my YouTube video. I can simply just say कि there's a topic. Let's just say a topic is how to get internships in college, right? And I can click on enter. and it will create a complete YouTube video script for me, right? I can ask it to create a blog post. I can ask it to create a social media caption. I can ask it to create video titles for my video. So it basically depends on what type of content do you want, and it will create it right then and there for you in just a couple of seconds. Acha, 9 tool is going to be for all of you people who hate attending live online lectures. This is called as Sembly.ai, and basically ये tool क्या करेगा, आपकी जो भी Zoom या फिर Gmeet की जो meetings होती हैं उनको वो summarize कर देगा, right? So it will go through the whole recording and it will summarize all the points that were talked by people, and it will share that with you on your desktop itself. That is pretty interesting, and I think this is great for students because कई बार हमारे पास time नहीं होता है to make notes, but if we can use Sembly.ai, we can get the notes for the whole lecture as well. Now the last tool is called as Mem.ai, which is basically a self-organizing note-taking app through which you can store pretty much anything from across the internet on this dashboard itself, and it organizes it itself with the help of AI. So these were the 10 tools that I think you should definitely check out. The links for all will be in the description. These are free to get started with. उनके कुछ paid plans भी हैं if you want to, but yes, you can start from free if you are just getting started. So that was the video. Go try these out. This will save you a lot of time, and these are fun to play around with as well, right? Like Super Meme AI as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. You can share this video with a friend of yours. You can tag me on Instagram and follow me over there as well at Ishan Sharma 7390. And that's all from me. If you're still watching, write in the comment section I watched till the very end, and आपको मिलते हैं अगले ही वीडियो में. Bye.